Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
Hey. This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 14th of July. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather kind of like summertime today. For some of you, you've had some rain. Others, it's been a partly sunny day. Storms are fairly random and scattered today, but as we often do, let's begin with a big picture. This is the upper air look across the country this afternoon. The flow about 18,000 feet off the ground. Got a big sprawling upper high west of the state. Across the southwest United States, that's where the weather is so hot. And over the eastern states, a trough. And thankfully, because of that, heat levels are not that bad across our state today. Visible satellite view showing, again, for a lot of Alabama, just a partly to mostly sunny day. But there are pockets of convection, thunderstorm activity. In fact, there's a peek at the radar as of about 1:40 this afternoon. The bulk of the showers and thunderstorms down across the southern counties of the state, south of US 80, down into the Florida Panhandle. But we have had this persistent little cluster of showers around the Birmingham metro for the past couple of hours. Those formed late this morning. They're starting to dissipate now. Again, this is the live radar. And again, I'm doing this update about 1:45. And the storms across the Birmingham metro basically have ended. They shifted down to the south and west. Heavier storms as I do this update live in eastern Tuscaloosa County, around Lakeview, down toward Woodstock, and West Blockton and Bibb County. And those are drifting to the south. But again, for a lot of you over the northern half of the state, you're not going to see rain this evening. The better chance of storms for the rest of today and this evening will likely stay down across the southern counties of the state. And yeah, heat level's not bad. Look at Birmingham at 75, thanks to nearby showers. Mostly 80s elsewhere. We note Alexander City at 78. Mobile managing 90, Huntsville 89 degrees. And we'll expect low 90s for the next several days. Here's the watch warning map across the country today. And again, things pretty quiet here across the deep south. Off to the west, we have scattered heat advisories from Texas up into parts of the Great Plains states. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Got several marginal risks around the country, one just south and east of Alabama. This is day 2, which is tomorrow, Friday the 15th. A couple of marginal risks up north, and then day 3, which is Saturday. A marginal risk for parts of the Dakotas, some of the adjacent states, and down here, no organized severe weather expected on Saturday. This is the rain for the next 7 days, and we always say this, but it's true. These maps where we are just are not overly helpful because of the uneven, random, scattered rain distribution every day. But on an average basis, rain amounts for the north about 1/2 inch, about 1 inch for the south between now and Thursday morning of next week. Tropics, all is quiet. Wonder how long we can say this. This is the 2-day outlook from the Hurricane Center and the 5-day outlook. No tropical storms expected through early next week. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Got a nasty 597 upper high over Colorado, New Mexico, the Texas Panhandle. That's where the heat is blazing, and we're kind of on the far periphery of that. And again, we think the northern half of the state will be in drier air tomorrow. Could there be a shower? Yes. Understand, it's summer. There's always the chance of a pop-up shower somewhere, but the better chance of scattered storms tomorrow, most likely down across the southern counties of the state, where the moisture is a bit deeper. And even there, it's not what I'd call a rainy day. Let's take a look at Saturday as the weekend begins. That looks pretty quiet. Showers will likely be few and far between. High should be in the low 90s, right at seasonal averages, and the exact same thing on Sunday. Could there be a shower? Yes, but probably not many. And really, that's kind of the theme for next week. This is Monday and Tuesday. Again, we're expecting low 90s, maybe mid-90s in a few spots. Wednesday, no big change. And a week from today, back to the upper levels. And again, this is where you really can kind of tell the story. This is Thursday the 21st, Thursday of next week. Again, flat ridge here across the deep south, the jet stream, the westerlies on top of that. And again, evidence the deeper moisture should be across the southern half of the state. So really, things look pretty quiet with seasonal temperatures here for the next 7 days. But let's be bold and daring and go out 10 days. just because we can. Not that there's that much skill out here, but again, there's just not much change. And that's what you expect here in July and August. Ridging, hot, humid, storm track to the north, and the chance of a few scattered showers and storms, most likely during the peak of the daytime heating process. This is rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean running about 2 inches, that green line you see there, between now and the end of the month. Check out the numbers off the National Blend of Models, the NBM. And those are very seasonal numbers here. Highs every day between 90 and 95. Between now and Sunday the 24th, lows mostly in the 70s. And the latest 8 to 14-day outlook in hand here. This is for the 21st through the 27th. The hotter values to the west. Temperatures here probably a little above average if this forecast verifies. So again, don't forget we have a book signing Saturday in Gordo, Alabama, Pickens County. I've burned that road up a lot of times. We'll be at the on Main Street downtown, Main Street Nutrition. It's on Main Street from 9 to noon, and we have a ton of fun at these things. Love to have you come by and see us. We've got all the books, the shirts, the hats, all the great stuff. Crest Publishers, they do a great job of putting everything out, and hope to see you guys there. If not, maybe you'll catch on ABC 3340 this evening. By the way, notes are on the blog, as always, AlabamaWX.com. That's our blog. And if you can, join us this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. I'll be live at the food drive at one of the Amherst branches at 4, 5, and 6 o'clock this evening. So thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.